Let me tell you the stories or the background why this house got so many artifacts related to Master, related to many saints, and we kept them, preserved them, and how they came, why those artifacts came to this house. Let me tell you the stories and the background of it. So when Mukunda was growing, he got the directions from Babaji that he has to go to West. He has to teach West about the Sanatana Dharma, about the Kriya Path, about the Kriya Yoga. He was reluctant, as all of you know. Then Babaji has to appear and has to give him good reason why he has to travel to the US. And then Master got so many gifts from many saints, and one of them was he got a trident from his guru, Srijukta Shadji Giri, and he wanted to carry. And then he got many other small beads, the japmalas, the conch from his guru, then lot of other artifacts which are still here. Some of them are still here in this house, some of them are at Pune Ashram at Swami Kriyananda Ji's room. If you ever go to Pune, you can see it there. And they will be coming back to this house probably in a year or 2 or 3. Whenever the Master wants them to be here back, you will have the museum again. So that time when he was preparing his journey, he was talking to customs officer and many other people, and they said they cannot carry this kind of thing like trident or conch or few things. And then he was little bit upset because he could not carry his guru's gift with him. Then he spoke to Srijukta Shadji Giri what he should do with those. Shall he give those things back to him, or what he should do, or leave it at their home like in Fort Gopar Road. Then they decided that they will leave everything what Master had to this house with his Tulsita. And once that was decided, all the artifacts came to this home, and we are preserving this from that day onwards, including the trident. You know the story of this trident. It came to Srijukta Shadji Giri from Lahiri Mahashaya, and Lahiri Mahashaya got the trident from Babaji. So that is how that same trident came to this house, and it is still there since 1920.